So my heroes, we will start with the second revision worksheet. And as you know, I sent to you before this worksheet, and we solved 3 pages in this worksheet. Page 1, page 4, and page 7. Okay. And today we'll start with this worksheet, this one, part 2. Do you have the worksheet?
Yeah. No. Yes.
Okay. Who?
No.
If you don't have the worksheet, please tell me. Baha, you don't have the worksheet?
Yes.
Who else?
No.
Yet?
Me too. I don't have it.
Anyone else?
Me too. I do not have it.
Okay, Ali. Baha, Iyad, and Ali. Okay. Baha, Iyad, and Ali, you can find this on Classera materials. And if you cannot download it, please send to me a message on WhatsApp. Okay? Okay. So my heroes, let's start with these questions. These all questions are multiple choice questions. And this worksheet is very important. We will use it for many days. So please, if you don't have it, download it and print it. Okay, let's start with the first question. Ahmed Salim. Ahmed Salim. Hassan Al-Bannai.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Hassan. Let's see the first question. Go ahead.
The April pencil. B. Pencil. B.
Rakan, you're using your mic.
B.
Rakan, mute your mic. Okay, Hassan, you need to explain. Do not just give me the answer. Why do you choose B? You didn't read the question either. Let's read the question, my hero. What sample?
What was
Will
make the
number sentence true.
The earth.
True. Okay. Here we have 1 multiplied by 77, and here 0 multiplied by 27.
77.
Okay, what is 1 multiplied by 77?
77.
Great, so the first one here, we have 77. Okay, what is 0 multiplied by 27?
27.
27?
27.
Are you sure? Okay, do you remember you said here?
Teacher, I don't have the sheet.
Okay, Saleh. If you have any problems in downloading the worksheet, tell me in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. So,
teacher, I am now all the waiting for worksheet.
Okay, but my heroes, I cannot respond when you use your mic without permission. So please do not use your mic without permission. I'm speaking to Hassan Al-Bannai. Okay, Hassan, 1 multiplied by any number equals the same number. Right?
Yeah.
So when we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. So that's why 1 multiplied by 77 is 77. And when we multiply by 0, we get the
0.
same number? Oh, yes, we get 0. So 0 multiplied by 27 equals?
B.
No, this is not my question. What is 0 multiplied by 27?
0.
Okay, so now we have 77 and 0, and you choose B, this one. Do you know what is this sign? Do you know what do we name this sign? It's greater than. We call it greater than. So 77 is greater than 0. So 1 multiplied by 77 is greater than 0 multiplied by 27. Okay, thank you, Hassan. And my heroes, when you answer any question, you need to show us why you choose this answer as the correct answer. Do not just give me the answer and without any reason. Okay?
Teacher,
Any problems? Yes?
Rakat, I didn't mean to open the mic. I didn't know I opened the mic.
Okay, my hero. So, my heroes, when you multiply any number by 1, we get that number. And when we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Okay. Abdullah Ahmed Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my hero, go ahead. The second question.
What is another way to write 4 multiply 4? Teacher, is B because 4 multiply 4 is 4 times 4. 4 and 4 and 4 plus 4 and 4 and 4. 4 times 4.
So we repeat the 4 times.
Yeah, 4 times.
We have here
4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is the correct choice. Thank you, Abdullah. I like how you explain, my hero. Okay, and Abdullah, would you please tell me what is the product 4 multiplied by 4? We don't need it, but I want to ask you. Do you know the product?
4 multiplied 4?
Yes.
16.
Excellent. Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, my heroes. Now let's move to the next one. Muhammad Al-Abbad.
Yes, teacher.
Would you please read the question?
Okay. What is the following is an example of the
Commutative property of multiplication.
Okay. 2 plus equal 2. Is it not correct?
Is what?
2 multiply. Is it number A? Is it not correct?
Okay, A is not correct. Why?
Because we will do not 2 plus 8 equals 6 plus 2 plus 8. Is it not correct?
You said A is not correct because 2 plus 6 is not the same as 6 plus 2?
Yeah, it's the same.
It's the same. So why it's not correct?
Because it's plus, not multiply.
Excellent, my hero. This is addition, not multiplication. And in the question here, we need the commutative property of multiplication. Okay. And B?
2 multiplied by what? 6 plus 3 equals 2 multiplied by 6 plus 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is not correct.
Why?
Because we have the plus and we have the plus.
Great. So in commutative property of multiplication, we do not use addition. We do not use plus. And as you see here,
Yeah.
this is another property. Do you remember this property?
Yeah, I know it.
What is this property?
We don't know 6 multiplied by 3 equal 80. We don't know 80 multiplied by 2.
6 plus 3.
We will share. No, 6 multiplied by 3 equal 9.
Oh no, that's not what I mean. What I mean, this is a property. What do we call this property?
No,
It's distributive property.
there's 2. I did.
When you distribute
Understand.
the 2, multiply it by the first number and multiply it by the second number. So this is distributive property. So this is wrong. We need commutative. Okay, see?
6 multiplied by 2 equals 2 multiplied by 6. This is the correct because we don't have any plus. That was
Excellent.
commutative property.
What we do
But
with
we-
commutative property is simply changing the order of factors. So 6 multiplied by
Yeah.
2 is the same as 2 multiplied by 6. We change the order of the factors. Okay, and the last one, 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. Correct or
Is
wrong?
it not? Is it not correct?
Why?
Because you want commutative property, don't say 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. No.
You mean we should write 1 multiplied by 6 in the right side, right?
Right.
Okay, so this is a fact. This is multiplication fact in the multiplication table of 6 or the multiplication table of 1. And we don't have two factors in this side. It's only one number, so it's a product,
Yeah.
not factor. Okay, so the correct choice here is C. Okay, thank you, my hero. So my heroes, for this one, we choose C. Any problems? Thank you, Muhammad. I like how you explain. Any problems, my heroes?
No.
No.
Let's continue.
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, my hero, Baha.
Teacher.
Yes, Baha.
What's the answer?
Yes, Baha.
Teacher.
I hear you, my hero. Do you hear me? Okay, Baha, mute your mic. Abdullah Rashid.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 4.
What is 8 multiplied by 0? It is 0 because the 0 is the strongest number.
When we multiply any number by 0, we get 0. Okay, thank you, my hero.
0. Yeah.
Thank you, Abdullah. Ahmed Yusuf.
Yes, teacher.
The next one.
9 times 5 is 45.
So the correct choice is letter B. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work, my hero. Okay, the next question. Iyad. Iyad.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Iyad.
7 times 10 equals 70.
So we should choose letter C. This one?
B.
B?
C, I mean. C, C.
C.
C, C.
Okay, thank you, Iyad. Okay, my heroes, I don't think you have any problems with these questions. Do you have any problems?
No.
Okay, now I will ask you some questions. Let's start with the first question. And please do not use your mic. Baha, do you hear me? Baha, do you hear me?
Yes, no, because I go out and go inside. No, I can't.
Okay, so you rejoined. Now, do you have any problems?
No.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, Hussein Al-Abbad, I want to ask a question.
Teacher, I want to answer. I'm Hussein Al-Abbad.
Yes, Hussein. Do you see this question?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
3 multiply 2 multiplying 5.
Yes.
Three 3 multiply 2
3 multiplied by 2,
equals
okay.
6. Equals 6.
Yes, continue.
6 multiplying 5 30 equals 30.
Excellent, my hero. Okay, do you have any other way to solve the same question? Of course, my heroes, when you multiply 3
5
yes,
multiply, yes,
5 multiplied by,
no, 5 multiply 2
5 multiplied by 2 equals,
equals 10.
okay, and 10 multiplied by 3,
13
excellent, thank
equals
you, my hero.
13. 30.
Great work, Hussein. So, my heroes, when you multiply 3 factors, you can multiply any 2 factors first. You can choose to multiply any 2 factors. It's up to you. And here we multiplied the small factors, 3 and 2, we get 6. Then multiplied by 5, we get 30. You can multiply 2 by 5. Why? Because when you multiply by 10, it's easy. So yes, you can multiply 2 by 5 first. Okay, can we multiply 3 by 5 first?
Yes.
This is Muhammad.
Yep.
Muhammad, you said yes, we can multiply 3 by 5. And we get?
We will get 50. 50 multiplied
15.
by 2. 50 multiplied by 2 equals 25.
No, because we don't keep the timetable of 15. We don't know the timetable of 15. So the answer is yes, we can multiply 3 by 5, but we don't keep the timetable of 15. So you will get, when you multiply 3 by 5,
multiplied by 2
equal 15.
6 multiplied by 5.
Yes, you can multiply as the first one. This is the first one. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. So you're repeating. Thank you, you're repeating. 6 multiplied by 5 like the first one. Okay, if you multiply 3 by 5, you get 15. And when you get 15, you cannot multiply 15 by 2 since you don't keep the timetable of 15. You can, of course, find some way to find to know the answer, but we don't keep the timetable of 15. So when you find something like this, do not use it. So do not do this. Why? Because we don't keep the timetable of 15. We have two ways that we can use to find the product. Okay, any problems? Okay, now my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Okay, Baha. 7 multiplied by 8.
Wait, teacher.
Quickly, Baha. You need to keep the timetable, Baha. I'll check it tomorrow. Hassan Buzbeh. Hassan Buzbeh.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. 7 multiplied by 8.
65. 56.
Yes, thank you, my hero. Okay, Baha, do you know the next one? 3 multiplied by 9, Baha. Okay, Baha, I will ask you tomorrow. My hero, do not use your mic without permission. Khalid Fahad, Baha, mute your mic. Mute your mic. I will ask you again tomorrow. Khalid Fahad. Khalid Fahad. Saleh. Saleh. Ahmed Abdul Majid.
7.
Again, Ahmed.
3 multiplied by 9 equal 27.
Thank you, my hero.
Welcome.
Rakan. Rakan. Abdurrahman Al-Thuwaqib.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is 7 multiplied by 7? Quickly, my hero.
Um, 49.
49. Thank you, my hero. Good work. Okay. The next one. Ali Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
What is 5 multiplied by 4? Do not mute your mic, Ali. Okay, solve the next one.
16.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Okay.
Teacher.
Abdullah Durman.
16.
Excellent. Okay, the next question. على الشخص. على الشخص. حسن فلاح.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
9 multiplied by 5.
9 multiplied by 5 equals 45.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. حسن فلاح. علي الشايب.
Yes, teacher.
3 multiplied by 7.
21.
21. Excellent. Okay, the next question. Abdulaziz Al-Aknam.
Yes, teacher.
5 multiplied by 7.
5 multiplied by 7 equals 35.
35. Okay, and 4 multiplied by 3, Abdulaziz.
4 multiplied by 3 equals 12.
Excellent, Abdulaziz. Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes. So we will end the session. Do you have any problems? Any questions? Okay, see you tomorrow, my heroes, and
No.
goodbye.